Hello guys, I've got here a little garden spade of my wife. We had it for a long time and it was hardly used. You can see there's still paint on. Here is something rusty because it sits somewhere in a moisty place. But the handle get lost long time ago. And she gave me this morning to see if I can repair it. And she also gave me this stick with two plastic points. This came from a bird cage, that hook there into the grid on the sides. So I'm going to see if I can make a handle for that piece there, and secure it very good. And but don't run away yet. We're going to make a nice project for her. Okay, let's tackle that part first. Okay, let me see if I can get this sticker off with my nail as far as I can, and then clean it up with some agent. Okay, we've got now a better thing here, and we're going to spray it as well. There's a big piece of rustiness. Okay, I'm going to clean it up quickly for you and bring you back. Okay guys, let's clean it up. Okay, I think that looks good. Now I really need to get it straight, and we can give it a nice spray job and do something about the wood. Okay, let's see if this little hammer is good enough. I think that is good enough, guys. Okay, let me do a final cleanup and do a nice spray job. And I'm going to secure it here through that hole. Okay guys, let's go. I'm not gonna bother about the undercoat, because it will in any case lose its paint very quickly. It's just that I want to give us something nice back. Okay, so I'll continue with that side. Okay, this is the second coat for the back side. I'm gonna only put 2 coats on. And I made progress with the handle. I'll show you now. Okay, I'm going to put it in the sun to dry, and we can tackle the other side. Okay guys, I see that the stick is somewhat oily. So all I've done is I took some sanding paper and make it nice and smooth. So it will stay like this. And then on this side, no, it's the other side, I just make it a little bit taper to fit into that handle part. So okay, I'll bring it back when you do other side of the spade. Okay, this is now the top side. And this is engine enamel. My favorite Massey Ferguson red. Okay, I'm going to put it in the sun. Okay guys, final coat. That corners, short a bit. Okay, I think it looks good. Let's give it time to dry and put the handle on. Okay guys, let's drill a hole in the wood from this side, or the plastic rather, right through the wood for a screw. Okay, now we can put the screw through, which I got here. Okay, let's see if our plan works. Nice. Okay, and there is my wife's new spade. Okay friends, and here is the final product. I know it's just a garden tool, but at least it's worthwhile to do it a little bit nice and sturdy, and a nice handle with isolation tape on, better than the oily wood, so it can hold on for a couple of months hopefully. Okay, that was just a short home video for my wife. Okay my friends, see you on the next one. Bye.